Assalamu alaikum to and good morning to all dear students of class 8. Today girls I'm again here for your third physics lecture, and today I'm going to discuss the contribution of physical science by the Islamic world. Okay girls, this topic is given in your book on page number 4, so kindly you can see this topic on your book on page number 4. Okay girls, today we are going to discuss about the contribution of scientists in field of physics. Okay as you know it very well girls, that the scientists of the Islamic world contributed in the development of physics. Okay, only few of notable scientists are given in your book, so I will discuss only those scientists which is given in your book. Okay girls, the first one scientist is Yaqub Kindi. Okay, and as you can see in your book, contribution of Yaqub Kindi is given in your book on page number 4. Okay girls, Yaqub Kindi was born in Basra, Iraq. Okay, and the contributions of Yaqub Kindi is he produced extensive research monograph on metrology. Okay girls, extensive research monograph mean his outstanding piece of work was related with metrology, that is related with specific gravity, and that is related with tide. Okay what is metrology girls? Metrology mean girls the study of measurement, especially the definition and the standardization of unit of measurement is known as metrology. Okay simply we can say that the study of measurement is known as metrology. Okay there are different types of physical quantities which we will discuss after this topic, such as you know about the length, time, temperature, mass, weight, force, densities. These are the different physical quantity which you have already studied in class 8 in your journal science book. Okay so the measurement of the study of measurement of different physical quantities, especially the definition and the standardization of unit of measurement is known as metrology. Okay, this is the masterpiece work of Yaqub Kindi. Okay girls, you know it very well that there are different types of units used for different types of physical quantities. Suppose if we take an example of time, so there are different types of units are used for the measurement of time. Okay, we can measure time in seconds, we can use hour, and we can use minute. Okay, these are the three different units used for the measurement of time. Okay, but the standard unit, the standardization of unit of measurement of time is second. The SI unit or the standard unit of time is what? That is second. Okay, simply second one example is there are different types of units used for the measurement of mass, such as kilogram, gram, microgram, milligram. These are the different types of unit used for the measurement of mass, but the SI unit of mass is kilogram, which you have already studied in class 8. Okay, similarly girls, there are different types of unit used for the measurement of temperature, such as Kelvin, Celsius, and Fahrenheit, but the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Okay, so this standardization of units of measurement is known as what? That is known as metrology. Okay, and the concept of metrology was proposed by Yaqub Kindi. Okay, this is the his first masterpiece of work. The second one contribution of Yaqub Kindi in field of physics is known as specific gravity. Okay, and this specific gravity is also known as relative density. Okay, and girls, if you remember, so you have already studied about the density. Okay, you have already studied about density in class 8 in the table of derived physical quantity. Okay, so what is density girls? Specific gravity is also known as relative density. And what is density? The word density means thickness, and density can be defined as mass per unit volume is known as density. Okay, mass per unit volume is known as density. If you remembered, so you discussed in class 8 that there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solids are more denser as compared to liquids are more denser as compared to gases. Okay, so density is mass per unit volume is known as what? That is known as density, and you have already studied it in in the table of derived physical quantity. Okay, so specific gravity is also known as the relative density, and relative density or specific density can be defined as the ratio of density of substance to the density of some reference substance is known as word, that is known as specific gravity. Okay, whenever we find out the density of any type of liquid, suppose if we take an example of density of water, density of oil, and if we find the ratio of density of oil to some standard reference substance mean, suppose if we take an example of density of water, so the ratio of density of oil to the density of water is known as what? That is known as specific gravity. Okay, so Jakub Kindi also gave the concept of specific gravity, which is related with the density. Okay, his third one masterpiece work is tide. Okay, what is tide, girls? I think you know very well what is the difference between the wave and tide. Okay, wave, girls, was the water wave term you have already studied. Okay, and tide mean, girls, the regular rise and fall of water level in earth ocean due to gravitational force between sun, moon and earth is known as tide. Okay, gravitational force mean, girls, force of attraction. Okay, so whenever the level of liquid, the level of water increase or decrease in earth ocean due to the gravitational force between the moon, sun and earth, so water tides are formed. Okay, and this water tides is basically formed due to gravitational force, that is due to the gravitational force between the sun, moon and earth. Okay, so that this one is his third masterpiece work. Okay, now the fourth one contribution of Jakub Kindi is optics. Okay, girls, what is optics? Optics is the branch of physics which deal with the study of nature of light. Okay, which nature of light, reflection, refraction, dispersion and propagation of light is known as optics. Okay, I think, girls, you know very well that what is reflection. Reflection means the bouncing back of ray of light is known as reflection of light. Okay, refraction of light mean, girl, the slightly bending of light ray from its original path is known as what? That is known as refraction. The slightly bending, when ray of light travel from one medium to another medium, so the slightly bending of light ray from its original path is known as what? That is known as the refraction of light. Okay, next one is the dispersion of light. Okay, dispersion means spreading of light. Okay, spreading of light, suppose if we take an example of rainbow. Okay, so as we know that that is seven in color. Okay, rainbow is formed in seven in color, so this is the dispersion of light. Propagation of light mean, girls, the traveling of light ray from one medium to another medium, or the spreading of traveling of light ray in a single medium is also known as the propagation of light ray. Okay, so Jakub Kindi, his masterpiece of work is also optics. Okay, and in his and in which he also discussed especially about the reflection of light. The major topic is reflection of light. Okay, is it clear? I think it's all about Jakub Kindi, which is given in your book. Okay,